Hello friends, how are you? I hope all you are fine and doing well and enjoying the best conditions. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Fusion. So friends, in this video, you can see the beautiful color with beautiful designs of party wear high heel sandals. So friends, I suggest you to must watch this video till end for more designs and more ideas. And also like, share and subscribe my channels. If you have already subscribed my channels, then don't forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon, you can get all the notifications of my new upcoming and uploading latest videos and many more other designs ideas according to your styles and look into my YouTube channels. Our sandal features a sleek and slender high heels perfect for elongations your leg and creating an illusion of height. Step into style with our high heel sandals. Elevate your look and empower your style. The high heel sandals which are shown in this video are very fabulous, unique, stylish and stunning. These are the latest collection of 2024. Dear friends, if you wanted to buy these designs online, then I will tell you the best 3 websites from where you can buy them online: amazon.com, ebuy.com and aliexpress.com. If you like my videos, then also share my friends with your friends and relatives. I always try my best to bring useful videos and content for you. And also tell me in the comment section that how was the video and how was the designs of high heels sandals. Okay, goodbye.